up, I'm a Nottingham lass, and is West Bridgford in Nottingham still the best place to go for a night out? You see, for quite a few years now, West Bridgford has been this go-to place, full of cool bars and restaurants. But has it still got that magic touch? So I had a little trip out there on Saturday night just to see what it was like. I parked my car on Abbey Road. We then walked down Priory Road, and then we hit the Strip, Central Avenue. We turned right, and there, straight in front of us on the corner, is a place called Zinc. It's a cool champagne bar that serves sizzlers and cocktails. And they serve breakfast all day long as well. You can also get a loyalty card. After 5 hot drinks, you can get 1 free. You can sit outside, but you'll need your big coat in winter. Anyway, moving on, you've got Copper. It's a nice cafe, bar, lounge type place. And then moving on a bit more, you've got Your Matcha, which is oriental tapas, a tea house, and cocktails. It's got that Far Eastern vibe about it. They've also got happy hour between 5 and 7. I mean, what's not to love? And you can also sit outside. Moving on, you've got the Potello Lounge. It's quite a big cafe bar. They've got a balcony upstairs that overlooks Central Avenue. They've got Cheeky Mondays, where you can get a burger with a free glass of wine or a pudding. Then of course, you've got Tapas Tuesdays, where you can get free tapas, a bottle of wine for £10.50. Not bad if you ask me. Now right at the end of the Strip, you've got the Botanist. It's got such a cool terrace, the place to be seen. The beautifully lit terrace is like somewhere where you'd go on holiday. Anyway, they do masterclasses on gin and ales. You can become an expert. I must go along to that. The menu also looks quite nice. A few veggie meals there too. Next, we've got 44 Bridgford, and they've got a private function room that you can hire. And their terrace is also just as nice. I mean, in the summer, West Bridgford is buzzing because everyone can sit outside. But in January, maybe not. Then we turned right off the Strip and snuck into Stratford Road. We came across an amazing bar called Curious. And inside, watch out for the crocodile. The decor is kind of eccentric. I actually quite liked it. And inside, the walls are covered in massive skulls and also decorated with lovely flowers. They've also got pinball and pool tables. Next to that is the Stratford Haven. It's a Castle Rock brewery pub, and apparently they have an amazing Burns night. And on Burns night, they serve haggis, neeps and chips. Right, back on the Strip, we come to Parlour. This is a gin bar and cocktail lounge, and it was bustling inside. Then we have Gusto, which has a beautiful conservatory. This was established in 2005. They've got a great menu, also full of vegetarian food. And then on the corner is good old reliable Pizza Express. Enough said. Then turning right onto Bridgford Road, look up for the green wall. Isn't that beautiful? It's a wall that is alive with plants. Anyway, it's called Escabeth, and it's a tapas bar. So it's Spanish, and of course, there's plenty for us veggies. Moving on, we've got Côte, which is a French brasserie, and they've got a thing called Plat Rapide, which I think is French for quick food. Anyway, that's served from 12 noon, but I quickly scanned the menu, but there's nothing for me as I'm vegetarian, so I'll have to wait longer. Next, we've got Carluccio's, which is a well-known chain. It actually looks really nice inside, and they've got Cucina Verde, which are plant-based chef specials. That's more like it for us veggies. Anyway, that's about it along Central Avenue. I hope I've not missed anyone out. In my opinion, West Bridgford looks like a buzzing place to go. What are your thoughts on West Bridgford? Do you go there often? Or do you go into town? I mean, I saw a lot of people waiting at bus stops to go into town. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!